The art of woodworking. Free download, link in description.
RIKON Power Tools 103061 Bandsaw, a solid addition to your workshop. The RIKON Deluxe 103061 Bandsaw is a robust benchtop tool that lives up to its promise of versatility and power. With a 1/2 horsepower motor and a cutting capacity of 5 inch high and 9 5/8 inch wide, it provides ample strength to tackle a variety of materials. The inclusion of a 5/16 inch by 70 1/2 inch 6 TPI bandsaw blade ensures precision in your cuts, making it an ideal choice for woodworking enthusiasts. One standout feature is the 2 different blade speeds, allowing users to adjust according to the material's size and density. This flexibility enhances the bandsaw's adaptability for different projects. The wide front guide rail with an adjustable scale, sturdy cam lock fence carrier with a wide panel, and a 2 3/8 inch tall by 12 1/4 inch long aluminum fence extrusion contribute to the overall stability and accuracy of the unit. The 2 1/2 inch OD dust port fitting most standard shop vac hoses is a thoughtful addition, ensuring a clean work area. The comprehensive specifications, including motor details, blade lengths, speeds, and cutting capacities, provide a clear overview of the tool's capabilities. Positive user experiences highlight the bandsaw's effectiveness in cutting various materials, from walnut to pine and maple. A user switch to a 1/2 inch 4 TPI blade from Olsen for resawing demonstrates the machine's adaptability to different blades for specific tasks. However, some users express dissatisfaction with the fence assembly, describing it as challenging to set up and align. The use of nylon screws in the fence assembly raises concerns about its durability and ability to handle pressure during use. Users have considered alternatives, such as a mag fence for resawing, to overcome these challenges. The weight and sturdiness of the unit receive positive remarks, emphasizing its durability. Despite initial difficulties with the fence assembly, users appreciate the bandsaw's overall performance and the possibilities it opens in woodworking projects. One user, initially hesitant about investing in a bandsaw, expresses satisfaction with the RIKON 103061, highlighting its ease of setup and effectiveness in handling small curvy cuts and rip cuts in hardwoods. The compact size and cast iron top add to its appeal, making it a convenient addition to the workshop. In conclusion, the RIKON Power Tools 103061 Bandsaw offers a powerful and versatile solution for woodworking enthusiasts. While some users encounter challenges with the fence assembly, the overall positive feedback and the machine's capabilities make it a solid choice for those seeking a reliable benchtop bandsaw.